Greetings, champions, and welcome to Live with Shatufa. We are excited every time that we meet on this platform, a platform that we give you updates of what is happening in the nation. We have been seeing the issue of the battle for the Zifa presidency that is taken other people out, and many others also fighting hard to remain in the race. People like Walter Magaya, who also happens to be the a man of God, a man of cloth, running his own church, and yet still finding himself within an organization that is a reputation of so much corruption. And this is quite so shocking because when they did their assertion, they said that some people did not qualify, and information that we got was that some did not have the basic qualification, which happens to be O level. And Walter Magaya is one of those that have gone to the High Court and is contesting this decision by Zifa. And he's taking out some qualification from the University of South Africa, a diploma in, was it theology or something, but which is being disputed. And many people saying that it is not correct, it is fake, it is not genuine. So we don't know what is going to be happening. Madhuku mocks Magaya over the O-level Zifa court case. Quite interesting that people like Madhuku are known to be the guys that usually stand and support Wakaita Sana Yubit Angel and Magaya and the like. But this time around, it seems like the issue is different. He is actually mocking the man and saying that he does not understand what he is doing. Dandaro Online reports that Professor Madhuku argued that Walter Magaya's lack of O-level disqualifies him from seeking a leadership position in Zifa. Madhuku emphasized that having something higher than an O-level is not sufficient, as the primary requirement is the O-level itself, right? So this is the argument that Professor Madhuku is giving over the issue of the Zifa, while many people have really been mocking the so-called men of God over this issue, saying that his argument does not hold water. He's failing to understand what exactly is expected by Zifa, what Zifa has outlined is the general or the ordinary qualification, the basic qualification. And we are yet to see what is going to happen as we shall be watching the issue unfolding in the courts. The court is yet to give a verdict because the session, I think about 2 or 3 sessions have gone in already. They are now waiting for the time of the final verdict. So the final verdict will be coming at any time soon. We're going to be also watching the space to see what is going to be said by the High Court concerning this very issue, especially issues of saying ordinary level is the basic, even if you can have something above it. And of course, the issue of others who are saying the certificate that Magaya is provided to the courts is actually a fake certificate. It is not a genuine University of South Africa certificate. So we are watching to see whether the court is going to be throwing away these papers, since they've already been admitted in the court to begin with, because they have been certified by the police in Zimbabwe, of which some people were saying, how could the police certify it? And I was talking to some people and I said, guys, you must understand that even the police in Zimbabwe may not be able to know whether the UNISA certificate is genuine or not. They may not be even able to know the difference between an original and a fake one. So they may just certify on the basis of saying there is what is called the original and its photocopy. So this is quite an interesting issue. Love Madhuku, the guys that are known to be the so-called gurus in the law in Zimbabwe, are saying that Magaya is on the wrong. So we want to just watch and see. Remember, the courts in Zimbabwe are also funny because they are Mnangagwa courts. They can just support anyone who is especially aligned to ZANU-PF. People like Magaya could be supported by the courts just because they are blue-eyed boys of Emerson Mnangagwa. Emerson controls everything. He controls the courts. He controls everyone. So there's no shock, really, if we hear that Magaya has won that issue. But winning it at court does not necessarily mean that you will win the selection process also at Zifa, which is again another story that will be awaiting him. So this is what it is, family. We are just still watching the space to see how things are unfolding. Just giving you updates of what is happening in the nation as we continue to pray for Zimbabwe. We pray for freedom. We pray for the Lord's will over the nation. We are praying for Mozambique also to see what the Lord is going to be doing in Mozambique, as we believe that the time of freedom has come. And this is the season of freedom. Let's continue to watch the space and see what is going to be happening. Otherwise, remain blessed till we shall meet again. There's one more show to come. Then we shall be calling it a day. You are blessed.